In this video, I will show you how to fix the Facebook navigation bar problem where the menu unexpectedly moves to the bottom of your screen. Many users find it frustrating when their familiar layout suddenly shifts, but moving the shortcut bar back to the top or customizing it is actually quite simple. First, you should open your Facebook app and look for the menu icon, which might be represented by your profile picture or 3 horizontal lines. Once you tap that, scroll down until you see the section for Settings and Privacy. Tap on that to expand the options, and then select the main Settings button. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Preferences section. You will find an option labeled Navigation Bar. Tap on that and then choose Customize the bar. This area allows you to pin your favorite shortcuts or hide the ones you do not use. If your bar is at the bottom, it is often due to an automated update or a server-side test by Facebook. Sometimes, simply clearing your app cache or performing a fresh reinstall can trigger the layout to revert. If these steps do not work immediately, try joining the Facebook beta program in your App Store, as this often grants access to layout toggles that others do not see yet. Always remember to keep your app updated to the latest version.